walking on a broken line, standing at your door, not sure what I'm looking for. Did I stay away too long? And did I get the timing wrong? The dust has settled down quietly upon this town, but